Hey guys, it is the second part of the reusable component, and in this part we see how we can import the images and how we can use the images as a reusable component. Okay friends, so how we can import image? Here we just type image, and when we press the tab you see here also there is a call for image. If do not appear it automatically, you have to type here image. Okay, and then I close this tag here only, and in the image I type source from where we are taking the image. Okay, and in that we type require from where we require the image. Okay, and for now we keep it empty as we have to put the image in that. I just downloaded some images like Pika. I copy it from here and paste it to the asset folder. Okay, I paste this image as we have to change its extension to PNG. It take PNG very easily, so I change its extension to PNG and I just import it here. How I can import? Let's see. You have to just put dot dot dash. As we are in the component directory, we have to come to the src. We come to the src by dot dot dash, and we also have to come to the Pikachu folder, so dot dot dash, and then we have to go to assets. Okay, then we have to go to pika.png. Okay, and it's all done. Let's save this and see on our emulator, and you see the image is very big in the size, so we have to provide some styling. So here I provide some styling to it. Okay, I change width with something around I provide 100. Okay, and height also I provide 120. Okay, and we have to call this style here, so I call this style equals to styles dot we have call image, so just image and control S. Okay, let's see what happened here. List of cartoon. Here we see images small, very small, so we just increase some width to 200 and it looks some nice, and let's change it to 100%. Let's see what happened. It look cool. Okay, I also increase some this to 170. Now this look cool. Okay, now it shows only one image. Okay, but how we can show another image? So what we are doing, actually doing, we are just calling this function again and again. We are calling this, but we are actually doing that we are just calling this function again and again. It picks cartoons. Okay, so we have to provide some another variable. I name it as images and just provide equals to, and we just copy this. Okay, we just copy and paste it here. Okay, we have to do this for all of these things, so I just copy and paste it in everything. And okay, and what I have to do here is I have to call that value from here. So how I call it, posits dot what I name here their images. Okay, so I call that from there. So let's see. what it shows. Okay, we have to press Ctrl S here also. Now let's see, it show all the images. Let's change the images here, as it calling the function, and in the first it put the Shinchan name and the image name as this. So we have to change the images. Okay, let's change fastly. Copy and paste here, copy in this folder and just rename it and png. Okay, and just change here Shinchan.png and here down. Okay, and we also have to name it also, and we call it here. And when it refresh, let's see, it look all Shinchan, Pikachu and Doraemon. So what's the task for you guys? That you have to make this, and also you have to bold and increase the size of this written items, that Shinchan, Pikachu and Doraemon. And it's very easy task, and also write something about them. Okay, and pass to the Pixcat. Okay, I will provide this all documentation over my GitHub, so link provided given below. Okay friends, so please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thank you friends for watching. Please subscribe.